after spending well over $3 million on Facebook ads, there's a couple things I don't want to go over that can benefit offer owners, agency owners, business owners, and really anybody who does, in the personal branding niche. So there's 4 key parts that really determine how well you can run Facebook ads. And those 4 things are your offer. So your offer has to be something that people haven't seen before, is unique, is exciting, is easy for people to implement to their lives, and overall is just exciting enough for people to take out their credit cards. And that's the one thing that people struggle to do. And that's why people don't really run effective Facebook ads, because their offer is just trash. And I say that very lightly, but a lot of people are offering products and services that are either too complicated, they're overwhelming to the consumer, or the consumer isn't even educated enough and doesn't know the results that they can get with that certain product or service. The second part is the landing page. So many people get this completely misconcepted that, oh, my product's cool, this is cool, why is it not selling? Well, your landing page is not ready to convert, ice cold traffic. You need people to be enticed, curious, excited in a way that pulling out their credit card is a no-brainer, and obviously just feeds into their curiosity, and it makes you, being that offer owner, it makes it a lot easier for you to scale. And it's obviously a game of numbers, because once you have a proven landing page that converts like over 2.5%, then it's just a matter of your ads, which is the third part. So your ads really come down to how can you get the most high qualified clicks while having the highest CTR and the lowest CPC, which if you're not really into the niche, CTR is a click-through rate. So for every 100 people, what percent of people click your ad, and then CPC is your cost per click. Obviously that depends on the cost of your product, but if you're selling something that's, from the price range of 20 to 50 bucks, you want to be able to get your cost per click around, 75 cents to $1.25 the most. And if you're selling something that's more higher ticket, you want to be able to get your cost per click between $1.75 and $2.25 the most. And that's usually how I'm able to, correlate data and, analyze what ads are doing the best and what ads are not. And it's mostly optimizing, because most people who run Facebook ads, they're overlapping audiences and they don't realize it. They're spending twice as much money on the same audience, and sometimes those audiences don't even work. So they're spending twice as much money, they're getting twice as many results, or less results, and they're not able to scale correctly. And that's why there's this huge thing thrown around, like business owners tell me all the time, like Facebook ads don't work, they're a scam, and people are convinced that they really don't work, but they do. It's just that business owners rush into shit and they're throwing money at Facebook thinking that they're gonna make them this amount of money and it's a get rich quick scheme, and it's not the case. And that last piece, that fourth piece, is scalability. How you put all those other 3 parts together to allow yourself to scale. How can you scale when an offer that converts very well, that's exciting? How is your landing page gonna convert at a high rate? And then how are you going to get your ads in place that you're not overlapping audiences, you're spending efficiently, you're optimizing every single audience, and you have at least, 10 to 15 key creatives that are running all at the same time that are putting you consistently in profit?